are we? Final tip video for question 4 in our learner record assignment. So this question is all about action, social action. So here we go. There are 5 parts to the question. The first part is identifying 4 types of social action and how they may help to challenge social justice issues. So if we remember the PowerPoint that we looked at in class, it's on the Moodle if you go looking for it. But again, it just helps with this background explanation. What is social justice? What are examples of action? Why engage? When should you engage? Who should be involved? How do you engage in social action? So that'll give you a good background for when you're going to approach the questions. So back to the questions. So that's just the 4 types of social action and how they can help challenge social justice issues. The second part is about the benefits and barriers of undertaking some of these types of action. So if you pick 4 of them again from the list and just outline what are the benefits to undertaking these types of action and what are the barriers for each one, because that shows that you have an understanding that there are benefits but also barriers. The next part is about exploring the strengths and weaknesses of 3 types of action. Individual action, just doing something on your own, Billy no mates. Collective action, so that's working with a group. And then action in solidarity, which is supporting something that's happening somewhere else that you're not exactly part of, but that you feel a connection with it and you're supporting it. So the strengths and weaknesses of those types of action. The next one is about analysing the range of social actions and just talking about their impact. So if you look at some of the actions, protest, online, petition, storming the Dáil, whatever you choose, but look at social actions, but I want you to show that you can imagine or that you can analyse what the impact of that would be. What's the impact of putting a picket line outside of a shop so that you want something to change or something that needs to happen in terms of the employers or whatever employees. So analyse the range of, so pick 4 of them, or 3 or 4, and the impact. Think about the impact. The next one, the last one, is explaining the value of agreeing, measuring and recognising achievement in terms of social action. So again, if you imagine that you're part of a group and you're going to do something together, explain the value of agreeing. So why is it important that that group make agreements about how they're going to work together, what they're going to do. The next one is explain the value of measuring. So if you've made a plan, you've put the steps in place, or you've got a goal, what's valuable about measuring the progress along the way. And the third part is about recognizing achievement, and that's about saying that whatever we've done, whatever action we've taken, how valuable is it to recognize that the achievement, whether it was exactly what we wanted or a little bit towards what we wanted, what's the value of recognizing that achievement? And it really links into our movement towards the goal and recognizing the achievements along the way. And that's it. That's question 4, done and dusted. First assignment, learner record, 50%er, distinctions all round.